I started Table Talk in 1999, so it would be 25 years in September. My history here, I started actually as an oven attendant, and the next step was working with the fillings, making the batches. And back then I used to like take some lemon filling and blueberry filling and mix it up and like create this stuff. So the owners kind of took notice of that and kind of had me doing samples for many years. And that's how I kind of grew into the R&D. I was in production for many years, worked at supervisory manager levels, and in 2017 went to R&D. So that gave me a lot of experience to bring to R&D, and it's great to be able to come up with formulations now and work with other colleagues in the industry and attend the baking shows. It's great. And the good part too is like now I have a team where I can pass on all the experience that I have and document it